Hi, this is Jithesh Sathyan. WhatsApp number +919666118829. Today's talk is a brief overview on a quick way to find the first house or Arooda Lagna for a query. So there are two Lagnas. One is the Lagna based on a time. Every time has a Lagna or what is the most prominent Rashi at that particular time. So from that there is a Lagna. There is also a Lagna to be taken called the Arooda Lagna, based on which you have to answer a specific query which cannot be answered to the person's chart. Like, I lost my particular, I lost a very valuable item. Can you tell me where it is currently? Or something relating to a family issue. I'm unable to make progress in my business, though my chart has Raja Yogas. So all these kind of questions will require some kind of Prashna or Hora based approach. So nature always has a way to give clues on what is planned for future. So in olden days, when saints used to handle astrology, the questions used to be asked when the astrologer was sitting under a tree or when he is on the road. In this scenario, the astrologer mentally splits the space around him as the 12 zodiac signs, with Aries in front, making Libra at the back, Cancer and Capricorn on either sides. The direction from which the person approached the astrologer is fixed as the Arooda Lagna or first house for making predictions. So the position of planets is the actual position at that time, at the time when the query is asked. Okay. So in modern times, when you might be getting the query or a call, the concept is that similar to old times, it is believed that nature identifies a specific time to ask the question. So you get to ask the question only at a specific point of time. Even if you plan, probably the person may not pick up the call. So position of planets is as per the actual position at that time. And the first house, the Arooda Lagna, is based on the relationship between the person asking the query and for whom the query is asked. For example, if the query relates to the person itself, then the Lagna at that particular time when the query is asked is also taken up as the Arooda Lagna for prediction. If it relates to the person's wife, then the seventh house from the Lagna of the time is taken as the Arooda Lagna. If the query is, let's say, about mother-in-law, then the person has to count from the Lagna as in the Lagna based on time, based on what Rashi is prominent at that time. From there, you have to count 7, so you reach the spouse, and from there you have to again count 4 in order to reach wife's mother. So that's how you reach the Arooda Lagna. So the mapping of houses to the different relatives we'll discuss in the next audio talk. And Arooda Lagna can be identified by many other ways, like using small count shells. It's called Kavadi Jyotisham in Kerala, or you could use beetle leaf. It's called Tambula Jyotisham, or you could use a large chunk. And it's moved around in order to find the Arooda Lagna. So that's called Shangu Jyotisham. So there are various other methods in order to find the Arooda Lagna in order to make predictions. Thanks for listening.